Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
This guide explains how to use Valve Index controllers with your Quest 3 headset. You need a gaming PC running Steam VR and Valve base stations for full lighthouse tracking. The Quest 3 connects to the PC by USB-C cable or by wireless streaming over a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Set Steam VR as your open XR runtime on the PC so apps use Steam VR tracking. I will walk you through hardware setup, software configuration, controller pairing, and common troubleshooting steps you can apply right now. First, install Steam and Steam VR on the gaming PC and update the software. Open Steam VR and set it as the active Open XR runtime in Steam settings. Mount 2 or more Valve base stations on opposite corners of your play area for reliable lighthouse tracking. Ensure base stations are powered and facing each other with clean line of sight. Connect your Quest 3 to the PC using a good quality USB-C data cable or enable wireless streaming over a dedicated 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for low latency. Power on and charge the Index controllers fully before pairing to avoid disconnects. In Steam VR open devices, then choose Controller and select Pair Controller to add each Index controller. Confirm the controllers appear in Steam VR status and that base stations report tracking. On the Quest 3, run Oculus Link or Virtual Desktop to connect to the PC and launch a Steam VR app. If tracking fails, verify base station line of sight, check controller batteries, and try the wired USB-C connection to reduce wireless variables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.